Hello guys, now I am going to start how to divide chapter by chapter a PDF file. First we need to convert the PDF file to MS Word. From this link you can convert the PDF file to MS Word. Choose your file like this, brain trace a time power. Open it and convert it. It's converting. It may take several minutes. Completed 10%. Conversion is completed. Press Ctrl J. Show in folder. Look that is in now MS Word. This is my computer fault, installation fault of MS Word, but I think if your computer is okay, Microsoft or 2007 or anyone, you choose 2010 or 2013. Now this is the book of MS Word, and this one is our main book, is in PDF form like this. Look, this is our PDF book. This is our PDF book, and this is our MS Word book. And I think here is going to the page 6, 7, page 7. Also you can check it here in page 7. This is page 7. Check the person, new person. I mean, everything is same as PDF and as MS Word. Now our task is to convert MS Word in chapter by chapter. It's very easy to convert MS Word to chapter by chapter. Let's go to convert MS Word to chapter by chapter. Now we will cut the MS Word file, then go to our main destination, then we will paste it here. We'll rename and copy. We'll copy this name, okay, then new folder, paste this name, then move this PDF file and need to close it. Move this PDF file and move this MS Word file in these folders. Now our main target is convert this MS Word chapter by chapter. There are about 12 chapter 12. Before 12 chapter, this is our content of those books. Now we will open our book. Now we will open our software to divide the chapter MS Word page split. The software name is MS Word page split. Run it. It's this software trial version will expire within 3 days. So I think you don't have the registered version, so you have only now you can try this software. Now our main try add this add file. Our destination, select the file, documents, that I created, and this is our pages. 370 pages in this book. 370 pages in this book. Now look careful. First page to content and page 4. Press here. It's not working. Oh, now it's working. Okay, good. Now, if you press the pages, it will show page 4 out of 370. I mean, if you scroll down and click here, then page 60 out of 70. So now our point is our first target is cut from here to here. So press the here, and this is page 4, and open this software here. Please remember to mark these two boxes, then manually split. You have to remember that if you want to convert page 1, if you want to split page 1 to 4, then you need to write here 1, 5. If you press 1, 5, then it will be split 1 to 4. Then your main destination folder exporting setting, it will be saved in desktop. It will be saved in desktop. Okay, then process all, state 33%, and done. Now check your desktop. Then the folder is created, this folder. Then this is our converted copy. This is our converted copy. This is not the software problem, it is my office setup problem form in my PC, for destroying several times. Now check that it's split 1 to 4. You can delete this page, last page. Alright, it will be contain. No, the table of content. Then you can now you can close it, and this is our main book. No need to open it now. This is our converted part, and rename it space table of content, and cut it and paste it in your main destination folder, where you will collect all the chapters. Now go there, and you need to edit this part, rename and delete, rename and delete page. Now again you have to open this software, select it and remove the file, add files, go to desktop, this folder, and there is only one folder in this name. Open it, and you also need to open from here. Now this is introduction. Now we need to now we need to divide the introduction part. Introduction from here is chapter 1, so we will copy it. We will cut for introduction from this part. No need to copy each time. Just enter chapter 1 until the end of the page, and it will go in that page. Chapter 1. This is chapter 1. Now we will divide introduction. Now it's the end point. This is the starting point of introduction, and this is the ending point of introduction. And here this is the fourth page 4 out of 367. Now you need to enter 1 to 5. If you enter 1 to 5, then the software will cut the page number 1 to 4. Now process all. This is automatically open the bar when you complete, but you can close it and open it. Here is three file. First file is your this file. You can close this window and open it. Also you have to close this window. Then you need to delete this file because it's your raw file after converting. Now 1 to 4. See, introduction. Full introduction is here. Check it out. Introduction part is here. Now copy the introduction and rename this folder 0/introduction, and this file is remaining after all the pages from introduction. It is starting from chapter 1 because we already cut the introduction part. Now we will edit. Now we will edit and cut this introduction to our destination folder. Table of content introduction. Now you need to open it, and our target is to copy the whole chapter 1. Now you can press Ctrl F, paste chapter 1. You need to press chapter TWO and find next. This is our chapter 2. Starting at chapter 2 and this is our ending point of our chapter 1. So we will cut the chapter 2 and paste it. Chapter 2. That means this is the ending point of the chapter 1, because this is our starting point of chapter 2. So that will be ending point of chapter 1, and this is page 27. Now we will add that file again. Now we will divide it 1 to. This is page 27. So be careful. You need to write here page 28. So this software will be divided from 1 page to 27. This is all. And your undivided copy is okay. Now go to this folder. Here is again 3 file. Before do something, just remove this file, close this file, and delete the previous raw file. Delete the previous raw and delete the previous. Now we already delete that folder. Now here is two folder, and this is we divide this our raw file. Here is only page 1 to 27, and here is remaining the books pages, and we open it. Look, chapter 1, and this is the end of the chapter 1. Just it's so simple. I think so simple to dividing the chapter by chapter. Now rename it 1.express chapter 1, and rename your previous one is, rename your current raw file. Cut the chapter 1 and paste into your main destination folder. Now this is your current raw file. Open it. Now our target is to divide chapter 2. So need to find the chapter 3 in which page. Now this is the starting point of chapter 3. So that must be ending point of the chapter 2. This must be ending point of chapter 2. Now we will add files in the software. Now ending point of the chapter 2, what the page 35 number page, the ending of chapter 2. So we will input 1 to 36 number page, 1 to 36 number page, and press process all. Done. Now close it and open it. Here is again 3 file. First one is our previous raw file, and third one is our current raw file, and middle one is our targeted file. I mean chapter 2. So we can delete this previous raw file, and we need to remove here from remove from software the previous raw file, and need to delete the previous raw file. Now we will copy the chapter 2, close it, rename it 2.express chapter 2. Now we need to moderate our current raw file. This is our current raw file. This is our current raw file, and we will cut our targeted file, I mean chapter 2, and move it our destination folder here. So it's our current raw file. Open it. Chapter 3. Now our target is to find the starting point of chapter 4. So this is not exactly chapter 4. It's the common sense. It's on the main. Now find next. Yeah, this is the chapter 4. This is a starting point of the chapter 4. So it must be the ending point of chapter 3. It's in the page number 26. Now go to the software, add the file, and that file, and this is chapter 26. So we will input what 1 to say 1 to what 1 to 27, to 27. Now press process all. The software will process your task. It's so simple and reduce our time complexity. So our work will be done very fast and quickly. Here is again 3 file. Close that file. Open the software and remove that file. Then delete our previous raw file because now we got our current raw file. And this is our chapter what? This is our chapter what? This is our chapter 3. We will copy that name, close it, rename the folder name 3.space chapter 3. Now we will fix our current raw file. Now this is our current raw file and this is chapter 3. So cut the chapter 3 and paste in our main destination folder. Here is our collecting of main destination folder. Sorry guys. Now this is our current raw file. Open the current raw file, and our target is to this is starting on chapter 4. So what is our target? Please say what is our target? Our target is find the starting point of chapter 5. So copy chapter 4, press Ctrl F, press Ctrl V and edit chapter 4 to chapter FID. Find next, yes, and this is our chapter 5. So this is the starting of chapter 5. Then what will be ending of chapter 4? Must be this. This is the ending of the chapter 4. Simple. And this is the what is the page number of ending of the chapter 4? Page 39. So open the software, add our current raw file 1 2. Here is our current our ending of chapter 5. Ending point of chapter 5 is 39. So check 40. Process all. And our task is complete. Now close the previous raw file, open the software, remove the previous raw file and delete the previous raw file, and this will be our current raw file and this will be our chapter 4. Copy the chapter 4, pause it, rename folder.space chapter 4, and this is our raw file. Please fix the raw file. Fix our raw file complete. Now we will cut chapter 4 and paste into our main destination folder. Then and go 1 and same.